Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the shape of elements and items inside your diagrams on Lucidchart. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to your document or diagram and you can add shapes, various shapes to your diagram, like I did for this example shape here with that circle or triangle, rectangle. And you can, for example, create a text box, for instance, here in the shapes feature. But you can also go with more of these shapes by scrolling down and, I don't know, add a rectangle or any of these shapes. Now, let's assume, for example, you added a rectangle like this. And now you would like to change its shape without creating a new rectangle. You can do this by clicking into the shape, and at the top you will see that button here, change shape, click into it and select one of these. Like, for example, let's convert that one here into a circle. There you go. And now into a triangle. And there you go. So that's how it works. Let me resize it a bit and you can create these connectors. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.